world. I should have known, I should have seen. That look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's mine. I'm outside. It doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing. Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down when it's always the infected ground? We got time to make this right, but it's all we keep falling down. Do you remember our first touch? When I look at you now, I'm